Alright, in this video I will share with you how to choose the right product to sell. Because when you look here, sometimes it looks so amazing, like, oh my gosh, it's just a few watch in the last hour and 100 sold here, and it's just crazy, right? And how those guys are getting those results, how they get those products, and why it's not happening for me. Okay, so as you can see, um, probably I got 13 sales already today. I will gonna bring you into my account to share you something here, because to make sure that it's not a screenshot. Okay, because you can fake the screenshots very easy. That's what YouTube Gurus does. Okay, so you see 159 sold. Okay, now remember, this is new account. This is my training account. This is very brand new account. Okay, considerably brand new, because I made it in the 1st June. Go back and watch my previous video where it was 0 here. And limits have been raised the limits twice already from eBay, because I'm international. Account is established here in Canada. Okay, so they count me as international. Anyway, but when you make brand new account, you got limits. Okay, you got limits. Look, out of 200 possibilities what eBay gives you to sell, I sold almost 160 up till today. Okay, today 13 sold here. Okay, it's kind of like I don't think I will gonna be. It's what today we got June 28th, right? It's about 2 more days, and then end of the month, and then here we're gonna be 0 again. Okay, but the limits, hopefully they will raise my limits. Okay, they did twice already. What I boosting about, kind of like, because nobody boosts about that, I can boost myself. Well, anyway, it's not the point. The point is to assure you that this works, and what you can see on this screen is not so much to boost about how smart I am, but just to show you that eBay really supports the dropshipping if you do this right way. Okay, out of 200 they gave it to me, I sold 160. I don't think I will gonna be selling 190 or 200, because that would be like it's ideal. It doesn't work like that. But 160, it's a very much good result. Okay, even if I sell only 160 this month out of 200 by listed, you see active listing is 41. I listed only 41 item here, okay, and sold 160. So which means 40 more is like in reserve to sell if I can do this, right? But normally on a regular basis in the first month, it's a little bit too good result. But again, you have to consider that I have been doing dropshipping since 2014, and I know all this stuff, how eBay works, and you have to follow up with their latest updates and what they expect you to do and stuff like this. So the point here is, again, I'm going to take you to the Amazon shortly after this, when I finish here, to show you how to choose the right products, because you cannot get those results with just any kind of product in the first month. In the 4 weeks on a brand new account, this is crazy good result. Okay, why? Because I know what products to use when you start listing on your brand new account. It's very important, guys, what products to choose. And again, I will show you on Amazon which products to look for. Okay, if you choose the wrong product, you got the wrong results. What's wrong? Wrong is eBay don't like your product and you don't like your results. That would be considerably good term for say, well, it's wrong. Okay, so but if you like your results, which means eBay likes your product. Okay, how to get the product? And this is not just, listen to me, there is nothing about the hot selling products. Forget about that bullshit. It's very popular on Amazon, on YouTube. The hot selling products, the 10 best selling products in 2020 spring, the 25 best selling products you can make thousands of dollars. Bullshit. Big bullshit. Why they use those titles? By screaming about the best selling, hot selling, cold selling, whatever selling products is just because it's like more the people are typing in a search bar so desperately, give me that hot selling product. Okay, everybody is looking for nothing. It does not exist. That's why everybody is getting results far from those in the first month. And probably if you have results in your first couple of months far less than this one, it's just because of the one reason: you have been listening to the bullshit out there and trying to find the hot selling product. It's not about that. How to choose the right product. The right product, not hot selling product. There is no hot selling products. Okay? Okay, so let's go to the Amazon and show you what I mean by the right product for the brand new account, that you can make the same sales and escalate your account to totally different level is in the shortest possible time for you. Okay, let's go to Amazon now. All right, we are on Amazon now, and let's look for some products. Okay, obviously this one is the nice product, very healthy and good product. Okay, so if you go and check out this product on eBay, here is what, 13 bucks here on eBay. People are trying to sell that product as crazy. For sold here for the 40. I don't think so, because when you click here you can see it's not 40, it's 22. Anyway, they got some sales there, right? They got some sales, they got some products sold there. Okay, cool. Now this is not the best way to start. Anyway, it's not the best, although the product is perfectly good for your first month, even perfectly good. Okay, but this is not your first product. This is not even your first 10 products. This may be your product number 11 or 12 or 17. Okay, so if you want to know why, there is a link below. Exactly explain what products you have to list: day number 1, day number 2, day number 3, week number 2, week number 3. It's in a $7.99 course. But if you don't want that, just listen to me now. Okay, so the best product to start would be something like let me go and check it out. Okay, maybe let me just go back a bit. Here it is, one of the products, okay, which are below 10 bucks. Below 10 bucks. More preferably would be if this would be, I'm not gonna search around now because I'm gonna use as example this this product here, right? As a good one, but the preferably would be if here would be, let's say, $6 or $5.99, $5.98. Okay, then you can sell it for $7.99, and the $7.99 is very important numbers. It's not just some random numbers. $7.99. That's why the course, the training course, is called $7.99, because this is so crucial important. Because of the $7.99, I made those crazy results on eBay that you have seen right here, 13 sales, right? So now what we can do here is we need to get some few things to understand. Okay, the number one is when you choose first, when you look for the products to sell, don't start with the price always. Start with the stars here, okay, with the ratings. Why? Because this is crazy important. Because this has been proven to sold more than 20,000, not only 2,400. Yeah, because normally people don't leave the reviews and do not review the product, do not send back the reviews to the sellers. At the best, 1 of the 10 buyers are doing this. Okay, 1 out of the 10 buyers, which means there is statistic already for years and years have been around. Some people say it's a 1 of 20. I believe it's just minimum would be, the maximum would be maybe 1 of 10. If it's 1 of 10 or 1 of 20, means it has been sold at least 25,000 times, right? Okay, so, and out of 25,000 sales, Most people, if you look at the reviews, come on, this one is going here, says this is crazy good. People are satisfied, which means for us, if we choose the products which are 4.5 stars, 5-star products, we are buying ticket to be on a safe journey. Why? Because your buyer most likely won't be unsatisfied. He is satisfied will be because you got already 25,000 times people said, oh yes, this is good product. Okay, this is the good one. Okay, you have no doubt that this is good. You never seen the product, you never touched the product, but you have the reviews, you have suggestions, you have recommendations about this product, that the product is pretty good. If you go for the products who has only 3 stars, you are putting yourself on a dangerous path. On eBay, those products are also on a dangerous path in their system. Okay, they are high risk products. Okay, eBay will gonna be very careful towards you to raise your limits or to show you, if you choose those products, to show you in a wider perspective for millions of people out there, right? But if you choose to go with the products which is they are somewhere on the eBay, this already is kind of like they have this data, the metadata, that this product has been already good on eBay's platform already. Okay, so you have much more chances to sell it. Okay, another thing is, well, of course, we can do what? We can just go to eBay and take a look. So, see, I will show you that most likely this product is sold, but some people probably made some. Let's say very easy, just copy paste here, type main part of the title, right? You got here, and you see some results are here. People are selling for like even cheaper price. Don't know, maybe the same buyer, the same seller is over there and here, but it's just sold items here, sold items. We can take a look immediately on the sold listings here. You got for $10 and not so much going on here, because there is 2 reasons why. I think the thing here would be that probably people are doing different titles, which it's actually you should do different titles. If you take only this title and be using this title for your eBay listing, you will not gonna sell it, or you will gonna run into big competition. You have to make your own title. Okay, about the titles I have different videos. It's just worth to mention that why you are not seeing exactly, if I take those 3 main keywords here, those keywords are pretty lousy here, but anyway, you found some lousy sellers here because they don't do much. They use Kucizina, lemon squeezer, the same copy paste title will not gonna bring you much good out of it. Okay, unless you are the same owner of this stuff here. Okay, so title is very important. Okay, so let's go a little bit back and back it up and emphasize on this importance of the stars here. Okay, 4.5, 4, 4.5, 4, 7, 5 stars. This is the best. The price category, the best is under $10. Okay, the best that I told you already is if you can list for $7.99, your sales price, if it's $7.99, there is a huge importance behind that, because it's and I explained this already in another videos, not in this video, why exactly $7.99, not $8, but $7.99, not $7.65, but $7.99. So there is a psychological meaning behind that. Okay, so go for those products. All right, don't look for the products where there are only 22 ratings. Let me go and see here, like you see this one. It's basically the same product like here. Okay, but what's most likely happening here is those are the new those are the new Amazon sellers. What they found out, oh my gosh, this one is selling like crazy, 70,000 times. We need to get this product. Where can we get this product? Of course, on Alibaba. Okay, so they go find out all the trucks, go back to China, searching out in China, made agreements, and they trying to get this product into the Amazon, and that's why they got only two reviews. One is from mother-in-law, another is from the brother. So, but anyway, they got 2 reviews here, 5 stars here, so they are on a good start. Okay, stay away from them because this is good product. They have no history. They're just testing out if the same business what works for them will gonna work for them. The same is here. Okay, this one maybe it's the same company. Okay, see, it's sometimes it's how it works also, because you know it's just how I'm just explaining you how you can put yourself on a safe path. Those big sellers here, they have history. They sold it and sold it and sold it for years and years, this product, because it's used to be good. Now, on a one meeting, sitting by the barbecue, the owner John says to co-owner Michael, hey Michael, you know what? We have to find another product to sell the same crazy like this squeezer here. Michael says, okay, cool. What shall we do? Let's go. And I know in China they are making this one, the big one. Let's try to sell the big one too, because this is going crazy. So we can make crazy this one as well. Okay, cool. They tested out. They ordered in China 20 of them. Okay, and sent it into Amazon. So, okay, so that's why they got only 10 feedbacks here. Wait, you have to wait. Of course, it's not necessarily it will gonna happen always, but the best suggestion is to stay away from all those new products, because those guys here, they are testing out this product. This is on a testing mode here, okay? Because they maybe have only 15 ordered now to see how the market will react. And if the market reacts good, the same way like here, they were gonna keep doing this, okay? So that's for this reason I'm telling you all the backstage scenario, what you don't know probably. That's why my suggestion to my students are always, don't go for the products if they have less than 50, most definitely now. 83, okay, cool. They probably found out that this is good one, 5 stars, 83 feedbacks. They are on the run, they are excited, they are enthusiastic. They just go out and buy those products in China, order again, because this is taking off. You can go for them, okay? You can go probably for this, because there is a people found some 3.5 stars here. Not so good, okay? This one is good, but not for your level, because you don't start here with the prices. This price doesn't match new account. Okay, if you start selling this one, you will gonna be put on a hold, and probably you are on a hold already if you started out a new account. Okay, so don't go to this one. You will just slow down your sales history again. Okay, so that's why it's so important to start with the products below 10 bucks. That's the point of this video, and to start with the products who have 4 point more stars. Okay, all right, so I hope this will help. If you want to have some really good sales going on, I would suggest you do the same what I'm doing. That's why I got the sales I'm getting. Okay, cool. See you on the next video.